気があったり驚いたりします。
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to achieve this look right here. And it is a super quick, simple look that you can wear for either day or night, I would say. And I think it's super cute and I'm so obsessed. We're going to be using the James Charles palette for this look, so I'm super excited. And if you want to learn how to get this look, just keep on watching and I'm going to teach you how. So as you can see, I already have my eyebrows and my foundation on and everything, but today we are going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette, and it is a little dirty now because I've been using it a lot. But we are going to start with using this shade right here on our crease. That's called B. And I'm going to be using a brush like this. They're all stained from the eyeshadows, all of these eyeshadows. So we're just going to be putting that in our crease and bringing it up kind of high. Now that we have the shade B all over our crease, and I bring it up like almost to our eyebrow and leave room for highlights. And next we're going to go in with Code James, which is right here. It's like an orangey color, and we're going to put that on our crease, but closer to the crease and blend it out. It's hard to explain, but I'll show you. I'm actually going to use this right here. It's like the other brush, but a little bit rounder. And these colors are super pigmented, so some of them you don't have to build up, but like the shade B, that is like you have to like really build that up to get a really good yellow bright color. The Code James one though, it's not too bad. Now that we have Code James and B on, we are going to go in with this right here, which is called 10% off. And it's like a brown, but when you put it on, it kind of looks like a darkish, like orangey color. So I'm going to be taking that same small rounded brush, and we are just going to put that in the crease as close as we can get and blend it out. We'll blend it up into the other colors. This is going to be the last color we put in our crease. So make sure you take your time blending. Now that that's all blended out, we are going to take this fair brush. It's a blending fair brush. And we're just gonna blend out those harsh edges. Next we're going to go in with this shade right here, and it is called No Beans. It's a dark brown. And we're going to pat that all over our lid. What I like to do is use a flat brush. Hold on, this one's dirty. The flat brush like this. And you can use any size you want. And I'm just going to pat it on and build it up. And I'm actually going to use this mirror instead of the other one that I'm using, so I can see better because this is a very dark pigmented color. And you're just going to put that all over your lid, and then we're going to take a fluffy brush or a blending brush, and we're going to blend it upwards slightly. So I have to pay attention when I do this. I'm going to take this color right here. It's very hard to see. It's like a shimmery cream color. I'm going to put that under my brow and in the corners of my eyes to give it a little highlight. And after I do that, I'm gonna go and put on my false eyelashes. And I know this looks a little bit crazy right now. This is how it looks. But it looks so good when you put on like lashes and you finish your makeup. Like I'm looking kind of ghostly, and I like hit myself in the nose earlier. I was trying to dry my face with the primer. I like smashed myself in the nose. So that's how today's been. I'm going to be using a brush like this. It's like a rounded, kind of strong brush. And I'm going to be using that shade Ring Light and putting that right in the corner of our eye. So now this is the final look. I ended up putting the false eyelashes on, obviously. I finished my whole face routine, makeup, and everything, and I also took mascara on the bottom, and I put, like, smoked out the shade No Beans, which is the color that we put on our lid, put that on the bottom lash line so it all comes together. And I really like this look a lot because it's like super dark, and I just dyed my hair dark again, and I feel like it like goes great together. I need to straighten my hair and get ready, and I really hope you guys like this because it's so different than I normally do. So please let me know in the comments down below if you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go down below also and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss anything that I post in the future. And I will see you soon.